chorizo. Okay. Got the drag radials on there. Training day. You like the other side? I'm about to do a raffle on that car right there. Yeah.
That exact one?
That exact one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's yours?
Yeah.
No shit?
Yeah, we're gonna do a raffle on it, man. You gonna try to buy a square or something, little ticket? I'm gonna have.
How much is it?
They're gonna be all prices.
Oh, okay.
The more you spend, the more you. I'm gonna have a different one than a square. But I think 20 to 25. Oh man, he done glued her down. She must got a power adder or something, y'all.
I told my wife, I was like, man, we're gonna have to start rappers.
Okay.
Much good shit going around. You're not to try to get in on it.
Yeah. Hey.
Monopod on it.
Okay. I don't know what she got over here. But we finna see. She's supercharged. I don't know. We finna see. He glued it down though. Let's see. If it's motor to motor, it ought to be good.
Left lane consists of a 6.0 liter.
Right lane for the win. Yeah, she got something under there, man. That thing 60 foot and hard. She got something in there. They got my boy, man. They got my boy, man. She got something in that thing. Let me see. Hey, man, was y'all betting on the last race or what? Oh, okay. I'm trying to get a bet.
Alrighty guys, coming up we have the big Chevy truck with a cam in it. That's a nice size cam.
Oh, that was a supercharged Coyote. Hey, you got that intake, right? Okay, you got everything, y'all. He kept going to the shop.
Give me everything, wait, my uncle's paying for it. It's with the cartel. I need it all boarded by Chewy.
Got everything and lost.
I'm gonna call my uncle and tell him, hey uncle, we have everything and we still lose to Escalade. What the fuck, uncle? Pinche maricones, que pinche joto les a la verga. Chinga. No mames, tío, no mames.
La raza needs
spray, perro. La raza. A la verga. Hey, man. Toe up, y'all. Big girls, big love, too. Hey, where you betting at on this one? Hey, where you betting at? Hey, where you betting at? Oh, you want that? I'll take this right here. How much? Hey, y'all, is this that same one that was... Wait a minute, let me talk to my people. They finna let me know. Hey, is this that same one that was running, y'all? Is this that one that been beating old boy all that time? Or I need to be betting with this? Do I bet with him? Okay, right lane. Okay, hey, I got right lane. I got right lane. I got right lane. Y'all picked the right one. Y'all picked the right one.